Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. If you're new, and welcome to your daily update on Jasmy. We'll talk about Jasmy. I'll tell you why I bought Jasmy, because I did earlier this morning, which some of you, if you watch these daily updates, you might have expected it already. But we'll talk about that. In general, we'll just do a full overview of what's going on with Jasmy right now, what to expect. Obviously, yesterday was relatively bearish. But if you watched my video yesterday, that was to be expected. I mean, yesterday what we did, to do a brief recap, and it doesn't matter that much, but still it's important. What we said yesterday is that we already broke some sort of an uptrend we had, right? So we had some sort of, even though it's a little bit invalid, we had some sort of an uptrend here. After breaking down below that, which we already did yesterday morning, it looked quite likely that we would drop down into the bottom of this range, of this consolidation, between 1.9 ultimately and 2.3, and that we would try to find support there. So what I said, and I've told you this for the last 2 days, is that, you know, I think there's two buy opportunities for Jasmy, and that's either if we break 2.3 cents or if we break down below 1.95 and 1.9 cents. No, if we hit that, excuse me, because it's the bottom of the range, and it's also just a very strong support level in general, as you can see right here. It's not as strong as 1.7 and 1.75, but it's strong, all right, on the higher time frames. So what we can see right now is that we hit that level, and that's why I bought. Sometimes you got to be a man of your word as well, and I've been talking about this level for quite a while in my videos. So if I tell you, and I don't always do this, I only do it when I think it's a solid trade, of course. But when I talk about a level that much, I mean, I do want to show you that I'm being honest with you, all right? I really do think this is a good level. You have a level with 2 cents all the way down to 1.9 cents. It's a psychological support level. It's a technical support level. In line with the market structure right now, you would expect at least some sort of support from here. So at least when we're talking about percentages, a move of about like 7 to 10%, something like that. And then what you can see as well right now is that if you look at Bitcoin, we had a lot of bearish momentum, but I also do think Bitcoin is at the bottom of a range right here. And I don't see any reason why Bitcoin would fall down below that range, right? So we have the market behind us. We have a solid support level under us. We have a bit of a psychological support level here. There's no solid reclaim yet. So ideally, we need to see some sort of a 4-hour time frame close above a level like, and this is going to be very specific, but 0.0 2015. As you can see, that's kind of a level right here. You can see that's respected quite a bit. If we're able to get some sort of a close above that, then that's another confirmation, and that makes the trade more secure, because I'm definitely not telling you to take this trade with me. I opened it with a relatively small position size, but you can see right here as well that we actually do have some momentum coming in here. So for now, I'm convinced. All right, we can still drop down. For me, the invalidation is if we close below 1.9 cents. So we can still drop down, but I do ultimately think the combination of where the market is right now, the momentum and the technical support is enough to at least get some sort of a move here. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right. So ultimately, what I expect, but obviously I'm biased as well because I am long. What I expect is this. And then there is the potential to rally back up to the top of the range at 2.25, at 2.3 cents, if we actually continue either with gaining momentum like this. So if the open interest keeps rallying like this, we can do that. Or if Bitcoin just goes all the way back up to 61, 62,000, then we can get all the way up to the top of the range. For now, I'm being relatively conservative and telling you 2.15 is my price target. 2.15 cents, excuse me. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.